Join us on this tour of 891 Crossroads Drive. Come on, let's take a look. As you enter this residence that is just a few miles from the Tryon International Equestrian Center, you'll be greeted by the open floor plan, which boasts abundant room for entertaining guests. With a formal dining room, a double oven, a full-size refrigerator and freezer, this kitchen ensures that your guests will be satisfied. The amazing views of the Blue Ridge Mountains make this large deck a fantastic outdoor entertainment space. This homeowners association allows equestrian facilities, which makes this property's 5.74 acres of rolling land ideal for your equestrian needs, as well as a circular driveway and two 50-amp RV hookups. With 36-inch doors throughout this home, the main level offers convenience with a full bathroom and guest bedroom. Down the hallway, you'll find the master suite flooded with natural light from the French door and windows. Touring through the master bathroom reveals the incredible walk-in closet. Heading upstairs, we see the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom flex space, large enough for an office, a living room, a billiard space, and a kitchenette. Now, let's go downstairs and see what this level has to offer. This personal sauna makes this level feel like a resort-style spa. Just down the hallway, we have an in-home gym. This 3-door garage offers ample storage and tons of parking for your vehicles. When scheduling a tour for this property, be sure to make time to visit a few of the local attractions, including Tryon International Equestrian Center, local wineries, and the Cleghorn Golf Course. I'm Rosie with the Pullman Group at Weichert Realtors Unlimited. I hope you've enjoyed this TPG property tour. If you want any more details about this immaculate property, click the link below. For now, I'll leave you with these amazing views.